Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. It's April 2025, and you know what that means. It's time to dive into the exciting world of LSPosed and check out the top 3 modules that have been making waves this month. We've scoured the forums and tested out the latest and greatest, and today we're bringing you our picks for the must-have LSPosed modules of April 2025. Let's get started. Coming in at number 3, we have Pixelify Google Photos. Now, for all you photography enthusiasts out there, this module is a game changer. Pixelify essentially brings the magic of Google Pixel's exclusive features in Google Photos to any device running LSPosed or Exposed. That's right, you can finally enjoy those fantastic editing tools like Magic Eraser, portrait lighting adjustments, and more, even if you don't own a Pixel phone. But the real kicker here is the ability to enable unlimited storage on Google Photos. Yes, you heard that correctly. This module tricks Google Photos into thinking your device is a Pixel, granting you that coveted unlimited storage perk. If you've been struggling with storage limits, Pixelify is definitely worth checking out. Moving on to our number to pick, we have Enable Screenshot, formerly known as Disable Flag_Secure. This module is incredibly useful for those times when you encounter an app that frustratingly prevents you from taking screenshots. Enable Screenshot bypasses these restrictions, allowing you to capture those important moments or information within previously blocked apps, but it doesn't stop there. Now, it's important to note the supported operating systems for this module, Android 12 through Android 16 Beta 2, but keep in mind that custom ROMs are currently not supported. And finally, our top pick for April 2025 is Game & Locker. If you're a mobile gamer looking to squeeze every last frame per second out of your favorite titles, then this module is for you. Game & Locker does exactly what its name suggests. It unlocks higher FPS in games. It achieves this by spoofing your device model to the game, making it think you're using a more powerful device that can handle higher frame rates. The best part, it boasts device spoofing specifically tailored for enhanced gaming experiences and is compatible with a wide range of popular gaming applications. Plus, it's incredibly easy to install and requires absolutely no configuration. Just enable the module, reboot, and launch your game to see if you notice a smoother, more responsive experience. So there you have it, our top 3 LSPosed modules for April 2025. We've got Pixelify for those Google Photos enhancements and unlimited storage, Enable Screenshot for those tricky screenshot situations, and Game & Locker for unlocking the full potential of your mobile gaming. Which of these modules are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more LSPosed and Android-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.